parents told me I was good enough, said I was beautiful the way I was. But sometimes indecision has no end, and you can't help it when you second guess. Too young to love, too hard to trust, need to grow up. Now you're 21 and you're asking, dear, where's your +1? It's funny how life can make amends through all the thick and thin, but in the end, I know that's just the way it goes, just the way it goes. I used to lay awake all night, get so high I never stopped falling. 20-something at a time fly by, I hit the ground, I never did notice. Cause someone told me when I lost my stride, lost my sight, all my soul's been searching. Now I'm staring at a ceiling fan, going through the motions. Pick yourself up, feet off the ground, this future's too bright for you to sit down. Pick yourself up, get your feet off the ground, this future's too bright for you to sit down.